Hello, welcome to the intro video for Unit 7, Lesson 3, Living in Australia and the Pacific. Here are our objectives, standards, and focus question for today. Where people live. The population is very scattered in this region. The largest cities in the region are on the coast of Australia. 90% of the population of Australia live on the eastern coast. New Zealand also has a large urban population. 75% of its population lives on the northern island. Papua New Guinea is densely populated, but not in cities. Most of the people there live on farms and small villages. Cultural characteristics. Most people in Australia and New Zealand descend from European colonists. Their cultures combine elements of British, Aboriginal, and colonial customs. Aboriginal people make up less than 2% of Australia's population today. Many people were forced onto stations, which are parcels of land put aside where Aboriginal people were forced to move. These are similar to American reservations. In recent years, the Australian people and government have made efforts to apologize and improve their treatment of Native peoples. In New Zealand, the Maori make up 14% of the population, and their government has paid millions of dollars to Maori groups to compensate them for lost land. Cultures of Pacific Islands. Most Pacific Islands are still home to indigenous ethnic groups. Many continue to perform their cultural dances, art, and music. Each group of islands has its own language and culture. Some have many languages like the Solomon Islands. On Vanuatu and Papua New Guinea, a pidgin language is spoken. It combines elements of multiple languages to make communication easier for people from different cultures. While most people on Pacific Islands are indigenous, some islands have large immigrant populations. 38% of people living in Fiji are Indian immigrants and their descendants, and 16% of Palu's population are Filipino. As a reminder, make sure to continue to fill out your guided reading notes for extra credit, which can be found on the Unit 7 Lesson 1 intro page. You will have a quiz over Lessons 1 through 4 this Friday. Webmail me if you have any questions.